5 U.S. states reported record increases in deaths on Friday, including Florida, which has in recent weeks been a hotspot of COVID 19 cases, and California, which became the first U.S. state to have over 500,000 cases. Florida is among at least 19 states that saw cases more than double in July, when over 25,000 people in the United States died of COVID 19. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control on Friday predicted that deaths would rise in the coming weeks, forecasting between 168,000 and 182,000 total fatalities by August 22nd. A top White House pandemic advisor, Dr. Deborah Birx, has said the virus appeared to be shifting away from Sunbelt states and moving into the Midwest. The CDC also released a study that said COVID 19 had spread to nearly half the staff and campers at a sleepaway camp in Georgia over a week and a half ago. According to the CDC, the investigation demonstrated, quote, that children of all ages are susceptible to SARS-CoV-2 infection and, contrary to early reports, might play an important role in transmission. Meanwhile, the race for a vaccine marches on. The Trump administration said on Friday that 2 major drug companies will supply the U.S. government with 100 million doses of an experimental coronavirus vaccine. The agreement calls for the U.S. government to pay French drug maker Sanofi and British pharmaceutical giant GlaxoSmithKline up to $2.1 billion to supply it with enough vaccines for 50 million people, with the option to buy another 500 million doses.